Hi everyone, welcome back to Bling Girls channel. My name is Barbara, if it's the first time watching. Today guys, we're in the kitchen again. So today I'm making barbecue ranch chicken burgers on some salad. So if that interests you, please keep watching. Alrighty guys, so this is a pound of ground chicken. I think it's like 93.7. I thawed it out. I eyeballed it. I just put some of this Primal Kitchen ranch dressing and marinate avocado oil in it. I would say maybe about, I don't know, 3 tablespoons. And then I just added some of this bullseye. I know this has sugar, but I don't have it all the time. Some garlic powder and some smoked paprika. And I'll be back to show you how I form them. Alrighty, so now they're in my electric frying pan. You guys know I love this. What I did is I just divided it. When it was in that bowl, I just smashed it down and just divided it into 4s the best way I could. Just do the best way you can. If you're not a ground chicken fan, then do some ground turkey or do ground beef or do Venice, whatever you like. But I love barbecue and ranch together, so I said, why not try it inside a burger? So leave me in the comments down below if you guys ever tried that. You can do onions, mushrooms inside of it as well, but I just kept it like this. And I'm going to turn my heat up a little bit. Okay. And I'm going to let these sizzle. And now these are cooking in avocado oil. Okay. Sorry about my dog. If you guys know, I have a Bichon Frise, and I also have a Cane Corso boxer who hardly barks, but she likes to bark. We have people outside working outside our house right now, so she decides to bark. So sorry about that. But yeah, so I'm going to let these cook, I would say probably 10 to 12 minutes. Maybe flip it in 6 minutes. And then dependent, I would say for chicken, you want it well done. If it was beef, have it the way you want. But yeah. So yeah, I think these are going to be good. So I love that smoked paprika inside of this to give it a really good smoky flavor. All right. So I'll come back and I'll be plating these and showing you what I did. Alrighty, so this is where we're at. Look, one fell apart. Unbelievable, right? Must have been a heavy burger. But this is what we're looking at. And yum yum, right? So they'll be ready soon. Alrighty. So I put some Borden sharp cheddar on here. I just eyeballed it on each burger. And they're running clear, and you can see that there's no more pink remaining when I'm pressing down on them. I don't know if you could see that or not. See that? Alrighty, I'll be plating these up and show you what I did. Alrighty, so this is what it looks like. So I have iceberg lettuce, organic tomatoes, some dill pickles, and some onion cut up. And we're gonna try this together. And yum, yum, yum. Mmm, oh my gosh, you can taste the barbecue sauce, the ranch, and that shredded cheese on top, the cheddar. Let me know if you try this recipe, guys. Very easy to make. Fall is on its way. I cannot wait. Alrighty. So if you want to see more faith, fashion, lifestyle videos here on my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, notification bell, and you won't miss out on a single video that I post. Until next time, keep it real, keep looking up. God has all the answers, and make it a great day, friends. And if life throws you morsels, make some hot cocoa. Bye for now.